Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Ford revealed the new Ford Edge Sport Utility Vehicle, SUV, for customers in Europe, the company's most technologically advanced SUV ever. The new Ford Edge offers a comprehensive range of camera and sensor-based driver assistance technologies designed to make journeys more comfortable and less stressful, and to help drivers avoid or mitigate the effects of collisions, including the European debuts of post-collision braking, evasive steering assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go and lane centering assist. The new Edge also debuts in Europe a new powerful and fuel-efficient bi-turbo variant of Ford's 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine, combined with a new 8-speed automatic transmission for effortless cruising. Unveiled in sporty ST-line specification, the new Ford Edge makes a statement with enhanced front and rear styling, a wide mesh grille, color-coded body including deep side skirts, and standard 20-inch aluminum wheels. Helping customers effortlessly deal with stop-start traffic using our most advanced driver assistance technologies to date, and cruise in comfort supported by our refined and fuel-efficient new 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine and 8-speed automatic gearbox. The new Ford Edge is our most compelling offering yet for the ever-growing numbers of European customers migrating towards SUVs, said Roland Deward, Vice President, Marketing, Sales, and Service, Ford of Europe. The new Ford Edge debuts 3 new Ford driver assistance technologies in Europe. Post-collision braking helps to reduce the impact of a potential secondary collision by automatically applying moderate brake pressure when an initial collision event is detected. Slowing the vehicle can potentially lessen injury to occupants and further damage to the vehicle. Evasive Steering Assist helps drivers steer around stopped or slower vehicles to help avoid collisions. Designed to operate at city and motorway speeds, it uses radar and a camera to detect slower moving and stationary vehicles ahead, and provides steering support to enable drivers to maneuver around a vehicle if a collision is imminent. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go and lane centering assist helps the vehicle maintain a comfortable driving distance from vehicles ahead and helps reduce stress during long, light traffic road trips by helping keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Further driver assistance technologies that use cameras, radars, and ultrasonic sensors to reduce stress for drivers include adaptive front lighting system, blind spot information system, glare-free high beam, intelligent speed limiter, lane keeping alert, pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection and traffic sign recognition. Driving and parking in towns and built-up areas is made more comfortable and less demanding with features including cross-traffic alert, Ford adaptive steering, active park assist with perpendicular parking, side parking aid and park out assist that helps drivers pull out of parking spaces.